uthi ngobulawa nje usingasoli umuntu omasatha. That's why I raised that issue. How umjida uLennon Gwara sesimbona chicken nini Simba Bora.
As much as it is important to upgrade as a coach and have the CAF A, easy for the way A this matter is not fair.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Pass and Move special. But maybe need to welcome to Dep 3 TV. But anyway, welcome to Pass and Move special, proudly brought to you by Gents. Good news, Bachita. Abantu babethu anxa bebona ukuthi different set ama board ama gents awasekho awenzi la masola solar panel le yayizwa solar panel le gents Pass and Move proxy mana ngikhulume kuhle ngizithwa ngizothila proxy brought to you by, we've got a new sponsor, ladies and gentlemen. Amele sichaye izandla, come on gents. Hey faka nje
electrical and solar energy is what we do. We are Praxol, professional and know the way. We are Praxol. Isizwe sonke ngesola. Isizwe sonke ngamakhethi. We are Praxol.
Hey, faka nje we're very happy to welcome into the family Praxol Practical Solutions. Praxol Practical Solutions, they deal with everything solar energy, electrical, everything electrical. I think we should do justice to this. They are located between 14 and 15 JMN Nkomo Street, Konapa Kobulawayo, just opposite one stop shop number 3. I think amanye ama details lokunye ama gents azakufaka khona, but was super happy gents.
Kakhulu.
Super cool. Uyazi ngesola bra. Ngama sola nje general njengoba these days vele ekhaya
okay it's baba. Na abantu basenza sibukela ibhola kuhle. Because ugetsi engavaya so wami ubukele etown yabungezwa lutho ubukele ngani ngoPopeye kathani. So I think abantu masinga basondelela khona lapho kuthe ku 15 or 14 baza senza kusiphathi even labo mama ezindlini, you know, isola ingcono kule gas ngoba igas iyachisa baba yeah. Kasi awuchisela baba izinto
uvumelana ukuthi
kakhulu lambe ngikhuluma indawo yamasola nje. I think izontamba ngela amagetsi ngithi uvuza umuntu ekefaka amasola ngidinga ukuyimadlanyana nje sifaka amasola lapha endlini. So I think it's something which is nice to have.
Waziyachasa
le Praxol and mina vele ngikhule ekhaya ukhulu wayethenga amasola oncane echajela abantu ama-battery lo, so ngiyakwazi isola liqhatheke onganani. But now we can do subtractile ukuze yini the issue of electricity uthi nxa ungaduma izulu sokuhambile lokhu ngaze uduma izulu awuhambi sezabe zingenga baba wesibhora ngiqalisa so zabe zingenga lokho engikhona
savereza now in the same spirit.
I mean into engiyithabela ikampani le ukuthi it doesn't only bring ama solar products kuphela, iyakunika ama battery in cheap prices even le water pumping system nangwathi into eqatheke so uthi usukhohle njani
Amanzi.
because water is life
water
but
is-
khathesi singakwanisa ukuthi even noma la ungadrilla iball yakho uhambe ebona i-Praxol solutions bakwanisa ukuthi bekwenzele quotation yakho e-cheap usufaka i-water pumping system epontshwa ngesola
clean. So please, I think the crew behind the scenes will do justice. Before everything, ama details, ama contact details and everything. Visit a Praxol Practical Solutions for all your solar and electrical products. But they don't only fit, they
Also
maintain
maintain and repair.
and repair.
ama-protection kit akhona so nto ezingavuka kuthiwa zidubukile njengehlala sizizwa
Can inquire for advices,
Kunengi,
ma-designs, konke bakwenze.
kunengi kakhulu. Yazi ngikhuluma ama small letters. I'm so happy. Not only the namhla very day good news. Gents, we always say this. Bengakawukhulumi namuhla because Pass and Move Special, your number one soccer podcast in the land. Asomanga. National Arts Merit Awards. Ngasithi national. iZimbabwe
yonke
yonke
jikelele
Deba lithi merit langalukhohlwa lelo. Liqhakathekile.
liqhatheke kakhulu. National Arts Merit Award nominee. Majenza.
Hayi
We'd
siyabonga.
like to give a shout out. Thank you for your support. Continue supporting into yabantu le.
Hayi
Into
exactly.
yabantu.
Sokwethu.
Kukhanya ukuthi into esiyenza iyabonakala.
Sipping record.
Abantu bakwazi ngamanama. We've been recognized and nominated to the NAMA Awards.
Being the top 3.
Eish, podcast in the country.
Usingakhuluma ukuwina is a bonus. I think ijoy enlayo mina is more than the joy I will have nxa ngathiwa khona
Suwina.
Pass and Move is the overall winner. Because
Which is possible.
which is very 100%
cause mjala vele ungabona bekunominate
kulama chances alingana abanye
eh
kodwa.
uyabe kuthiwa lawo vele bawukhangelele
Kulama chances alingana abanye but ngaze ngiwine injabuleni layo ayifiki kule ndayo ukunominate because it shows ukuthi kona have been recognized in the country where there are 15 million people where there are so many people
more.
ama ideas amaningi achiyeneyo and some with better podcasts than ours but us being nominated which means that we are being relevant to the society and the country as well.
It means a lot.
It means a lot.
It means a lot. So to our viewers, thank you for the support. Continue supporting. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. And as always, just if you say sakhuluma imbono yethu eminingi, as always, I'm with my partners in crime. Look vela ngiyekile. Susman,
afa
utsho mama suit. Bazi umuntu ngumasuit.
amasotha kule ndawo engathandela khona angenise endaweni eziningi mdala even lapho engisebenza khona ngaphangi kobotshwa mdala bacaba untame ebhingenye le
But thank you for being in the building.
sharp mdala
Buthos namhla ngixolile leliyale
MK. No akula biza lami engalithandiyo.
Eh.
Ngiyawathanda wonke but the way ngibiza ngeke kungichaza anyway. But nonetheless siyabonga siyalamukela. Thank you for just watching us. Keep on being glued and hope being entertained and informed and educated by whatever we say.
Savereza
ofamta
oyiswi
hayi nami namhlanje ngifuna ukubuya ngitshaya isudu manje inkinga ukuthi beke la magesi but sembona izinto ze-Praxol lezi lihamba ithatha i-quotation lechwaphi yena isudu yami
so uthi kanti next week
next week hayi
ebuka
next
usuku
week lami yabuya ngikusukuma ngibona kuyabusoka right
clean my day. So welcome ladies and gentlemen, let's get the ball rolling gents. We have seen, we've heard izinto ezenzakaleyo past weekend. Let's aqaseni ngale ezifa le enithinte kakhulu le. Izifa ifuna ukuthi season le siyayiyo le ocoach bonke ebelo cafe bayenzile ama refresher course for abo cafe but it was not mandatory ukuthi ucoach abelo cafe ku touchline. So ama teams abeseqhatshile abanye coach balabo cafe. It's a well known fact, we know. And it's not easy uphonga uvuka nje suthi lo cafe. What's your take on that, gents?
I think as much as it is important to upgrade as a coach and have the CAF A, Zifa, the way handling this matter is not fair, because 2 seasons back, bage bakufuna futhi CAF A, if you remember, Ichikenin was being coached by Antipas by then, wafaka those technical director. Then another season, which is last year, but in Zimbabwe, since we are not offering those courses, you can opt for CAF B and CAF A. Ukuthi touchline until further notice whereby sabe sesiqalisa ukwayenza ama courses, but now usuvuka zuku sekele abantu ba sign abenza konke, so sithi ga sokusele 2 weeks ukuthi season iqalise sithi asiyenza, and Lina, you are not offering that. You can only offer ama refresher courses, which is not fair. However, as much as it is a nice thing to do, as much ama coaches that ezama opt. And the other thing which is more painful ukuthi ukuzube lo CAF A ufuze uhambe kubo Tanzania, South Africa and some Zambia, other countries, but yet we are Zimbabwe here. That's the revenue elahlekayo futhi, but liqindele liyomisele futhi ama local coaches and sigcine siqhatsha futhi ama foreign coaches abagcina bethi nxa besisiwe, because labantu abalanda ngizothuthukisa ibhola lethu balanda imali. Sikubonile ngodijo ngo 2 minutes ago sihamba esesuka kuya Lenders into abezivumela Lenders asayenzakalanga kahle 2 minutes seku FIFA, which is very bad. Asiyali ukuthi khona ucoach ufuze ebhadalwe, but imali sometimes yakwazi ayikho kube eZimbabwe. So I think iZifa ikwenze yaba too harsh. Nga ithe khona uCAF B uya expire at the end of the season or mid season, we are going to have another alternative ukuthi ama clubs can plan. Kade sinxa ukuthi kulama coaches angela ayiye bakhona even no platinum coach ka platinum kala, so kufuze bedinga omnye coach.
But i-preseason uthi ngiCAF B
uJohn CAF.
Yabo i-preseason yonke bayenze lo Joe, which is not fair. Nxa sibuya lapha na sidla iplatinum, so nganto kona administration imingarungekanga bithi iplatinum yenze kahle, because so ngomunye ucoach oseqalisa kutsha kazange be lesikhathi esitsha to acquaint himself lama players. So I think ngokubona kwami personally abakwenzanga kwaba kuhle, if as much as sikufuna ukuthi kube yikho khona, because we want abantu abalezicocwe ezifanele ukuthi bekhokhela ibhola lethu.
Kumbe ukuthi bengafaka i-waiver like what they did last time, ukuthi besadinga uCAF A bekhona ebenchini, angazi what to take.
I mean, I think yonke into bayenze babawomisele kahle ama coaches, and sebewomisele with everyone, even ama teams, because akwenza ukuthi into enjalo phambi kuphuthuma ngayo. As Ubutho was saying ukuthi sometimes ancho we need time for that ngoba there was balo CAF B, so to have CAF A they have a time, because umele be start eTanzania be start nga after all to coach wakhona umunye phela laba coach wakhona izimali zincane, the time yakhona incane. So I think laba bawomisile azange be professional, but professional be madoda lento sizayenza umbe 2029 umbe 2028 obanihlala izilungiselele, because manje somele ukuthi somele amabhodi achitheke xa sokubizwa abanye bocoach.
Adukonile ku refresher course ama coaches that were there, I think bananzelele babone, I think azaba ngo devil advocate, because mbona coach abanengi even uJohn Owen bekhona is CAF A, but we coach ku D1. Mbona ama coaches amaningi zim coaches le chicken in bekhona is CAF A. I think bananzelele maybe oma coach amaningi khathesi ngani uCAF A sebe angazi njalo,
but you have to highlight it before. Consider abana bangalo kuzimbe ubacabangela vele mawufaka i-decision la ungayifaki njengesela la wezifake ezicathulweni zomuntu yena lo ongakabe layo.
Don't just make a decision. Amazika lokhu zenini akamhlawuri wathini abanye sometimes ezinye izinto lezi ukuthi angikwazi ukuthi andike yahanjwa kuma indaba ukuthi ama agenda ngikhona bafika bethini, but umhlawuri once said you don't have to do i-course ye cooking ukuthi uzube yini ukwanisa ukupheka, hayi khulumele ukuthi twa umhlawuri lapha kwazokuthiwa yeke adlala ngibhora kayeke njani
a coach.
But uJoe I think is a good coach ukuthi bethi bayamenzela ukuthi kuzokuthiwa engasa coach this season abe bamnika nje sibone ukuthi then ungavuleka ebese ehambe yenza ikhosi
lapho izibutho said I think bafuna ukukhweza standards ebhola we understand but into esikhala ngayo I don't think it's wrong.
No, it's
It's not wrong.
It's not wrong, but
ukuthi sibe nama coaches who are qualified to the highest level. But ama problems I think abasakhangelanga ama problems esilawo ukuthi siyefika to that level.
I think sonke silapha we old enough ukuthi sike sabona iera yeZimbabwe itshintsha izimali. Bekusithi nxa sokutshintsha imali esifeza out, belutsho ukuthi khona imali up to mhla kabani. Iyabe ngasekho. So bese kufakwa futhi lenye imali yanentsha zisebenze concurrent. Kusiyafika that day imali yana isasebenza. That's what I'm saying. Ukuthi khona nxa besithi khona uCAF B abasamfuni. Up to when? Not khona lapho khona. Yabo. Because bengathi imali lesisebenza ekusasa yebengasasebenzi. Sesela sile nqoba zezimali ezindlini. But you give time ukuthi la kube lesikhathi sokutshintsha. I-transition yani yenze kahle. That's what I'm talking about. Ukuthi khona of course as much as we want quality but there is a way to do it to get quality. Awuphomba ukusuka nje mhlawumbe ukuthi khabakazi even nxa ulokhu uzonibona nxa usiweza retire ecompany uyanika inotice of 3 months. Excuse me. Then sokubuya omunye esenzani induction ebona ukuthi i-handover takeover yakho nti ikusetshenzwa njani ukwenziwa kanjani so that up to that moment in time yabe sebona ukuthi icompany ibisebenza njani then seqala ukusebenza.
I get you gents and kulabanye abake bakhala previously. Mina I like mbuya ku example oyenzile ekamhlawuri. I like ukuthi eBoren sibe labantu aba qualified. Yes, it's fine. But kule issue oyithinta butho ukuthi uzathola ukuthi Zifa is not giving this, they can only give ama refresher courses. Zifa is supposed to be giving out ama CAF A lokhuzeni wezethi abantu balapha eZimbabwe bengathwala inzima bese outside the country ukuyenza these courses. You understand?
ezithi izikhathi esikulomsindo kulebantu bake bayenza i-goalkeepers coach ama certificate angikhona lokho engakaphumi
twaphuma this week
ngaka CAF D so na ukuthi into za CAF D bazehluleka ezika CAF A manje bekazibhalisa bengazirequire
uthi khona wena emzini wakho kufuze kudliwile kuzenini inyama yenkukhu wena ungayithenga inyama yakho nenkukhu so uzama ukuthi abantwana bekwata emalayini. That's what they're trying to say. Let's as pillion within our means.
And there was an issue, gents. I'm full kubaleka, but still on the same issue. Izifa bila ma coaching licenses level 1, level 2, level 3. Ama levels dana, ama coaching certificates dana izifa eyayiwanika asasebenzi. Sehle sayeqa saku CAF what. Is it a very a good thing? Because bephenduka ku issue yakho oyikhulumileyo kulama coaches bra ukuthi they are good proper coaches and ungabala umsebenzi wawo ababayenzile even ungachecka let's say ama examples senze njengobaba ubaba I think to me was one of the legendary coaches but ungachecka the certificates akumatch ubusu check umuntu le certificate lo msebenzi wenziwe ngubaba akufanayo
asifiki
ubaba Moses Chunga
you get what I'm saying?
Big boy wanga, big boy.
Currently, we've got a coach like you, Johannes Ngozi.
Yeah.
She's good coach. We've seen his works, but qualifications.
Yeah, I think.
You get my point.
Coming to that, we say without rules we are nothing. Because if you can look at it, there are so many people. About driver is motor ngcono than abantu abalama licenses bona bengena ama license a drive kuhle sibi motor that ukuthi ayichaya bemnandi but without the rules we become scavengers sesilahlekile so I think
bebe ngangicedisanga
hayi ucacise ngizwile into efuna khona just
ngithi mina kulabo Zifa level 1 level 2 those guys but I told you maybe uZifa u level 1 level 2 balawo but Kates Zifa is iona iZifa isiscrapile ama Zifa level coaches lawa isifuna iCAF
but according to my understanding I think uZifa level 4 uyalingana no CAF A
but bana bafuna iCAF A
so
izifa lena this
yikho
is my
kade
point
ngikutsho phela ipoint ade ngisho ukuthi khona
Eh.
uzafuna abantu abakho bechebe ngenyama njani olungayilayo emfridge yakho
Very lapha basically they are just saying hi tinism seka recognize.
sesifuna
yes sesifuna i-Cambridge that's the thing
thina sile Cambridge
azange ngithi usayivukela
So mele sambe private, so mele sambe ma private school. Asizo sonke
Yes.
afford to get ma private.
exactly my
That's what we're
point
that's what we're
exactly
talking
my point
khona ukuthi ngokuthi ukuthi into yabuyifuna but ufakana on the table so you can't blame those coaches because manje ungathi abantu bayafunda eTanzania. Look at manje last time we ngathi kahle uAshi ubekhuluma ngama ngokubonda bukaluphahla le team. Look at bamenzele njani then ubusubuya usutshintsha lwana bese siyaqala kahle ze foreigner maybe labafana sebem understand and uza khona lokho kuchoko bopapa lezawina ngabe league wena usiyafuna into vele engekho engeke ube khona because ufuna uCAF A baba ukuthi abe eTanzania ngoba bona abantu abafunelayo khona look at eMorocco ungabeka kibo bafundiswa khona lapho yonke into kuyibo khona lapho so how can you ufuna ukulive
and the cafe they don't come cheap kufunakala imali it's serious
uloze no CAF B ade fuzenzo no postpone ube 300 just for 2 less than it just less, maybe a week or 2 weeks
the whole course
this $300 and ku $300 akhona ukhaya into nokhona mali nabaningi abala umsebenzi because iCAF B vela usebenzi yabusuku ku division 1 which is yabo 400 300 ulabantwana ufusebenzi so I point and ukuthi khona uya complain ukuthi umntwana ulekwashiwo wena unonga provide as a father the same point kamachisa ikhuluma ngathi khona umntwana uyafail esikolo wena ubhatala fees so sithi khona umntwana ufune efunde njani so I problem comes back it goes back to them the mother body izifa yona izifa nxa ifuna into eyifunayo I provide mina ukuze nje umntwana nami bengimzondela ukuthi wayenga produce ama results esikolo kufuze make sure ukuthi homework yakhe I make sure ukuthi uyenzile I make sure ukuthi learn form I make sure ukuthi uhambe esikole comfortable lunch box leyo konke everything fees is paid so that nxa sen demand ama results ngiyakuthi whatever you ask I'm giving so why are you not producing you kuswelakalayo you are going to school comfortable you're going to school worth ukuthi ube kwabanye abantu so thini izifa needs ukuthi si produce ama results eka CAF A thina singela ilokuze yini CAF A yakho nesenza I don't because sometimes mina I always tell ngisithi kona ukupasa sometimes asikuthi lolwazi baningi abantu abalo CAF A ngalo we are not proper coaches because bayapasa kuphela bese siba labanye abalo CAF B abama proper coaches because abakafika futhi ku level naleya but asibanike niche opportunity ukuthi bekwenza kade bevele becoacha wani bawathitha ama league kangaka belokuze nibe laba CAF B
banenga kakhulu
Vele kunzima.
Babathi kangaka?
Kunzima ukuthi omunye umuntu ayekwanisi itheory omunye kwanisi practical. But so far thina njenge eZimbabwe lapha ikhaya ngathi thina sazi itheory because akula local coach oseke wahamba wa performa kuhle ku confederation kumbe nga. So you just have to pull up our socks endabeni yona liyesibona ukuthi kanti vele silekhanga before siqalisa ukwenza ama requirements.
kade dana masizefika masemfanele coach obo
umsandi
Sunday
wafika khona
Nguphi umnyaka kodwa
98.
maybe ayithoda ayikhocha
98.
ayikhocha ngo level 1 wathi kwazo cafe
yeah lafana obvious
kwakungu level something yabo
ezifa because it was I recognize
kumba ayikhocha ngakho kuyani uthi kwathiwa hayi former footballer phela there was a time abantu ama coaches imbona athi abengela ama certificates vele
yiso phela kodwa nguthi ngabo that's why I made an example abo papa ukuthi you'll find ukuthi there are other coaches proper coaches othi singakhangela into le ipaper ucina kusebenza but isipano umuntu yabesishaya even though kusharp ukuthi abantu bebe lamaphepha bebe qualified but kwesinye isikhathi entweni ezinyayibhora singawomisa kakhulu sicina sivalela italent eli serious
kaji kulabantu kanjabo uSibindi I think is one of the facilitators ufunisani uSibindi lo enast once coached the Blair Chiefs I think he's one of the best entweni ayizankhona zona ezeze coaching what but ukucoacha kwakhe
if ba coacha futhi la
ukucoacha kwakhe anti wakubona iresult isayibona sonke
uyabona ukuthi into esikhuluma ukuthi is good kufanele lesikhathi ama teacher akaba well equipped abayiyo ama coaching certificates ukudlula coach abantu bebhola probably because they could afford to get ama certificates ukudlula abantu bebhola and theoretically
they're good.
They-
Practical, nothing.
they were better than abantu bebhora. You understand? So umntwana, they end up getting high level qualifications than abantu proper. That's why abantu behlala bekhala ukuthi why ebhoreni abantu bebhora who play the game asibatholi uma spaces. I think it's one of the conversation we should have. But regarding this conversation, I think izifa kumele ifake i-waiver. Just ukuthi say, okay guys, let's put the time frame ukuthi 2027 every coach melebele lo cafe. I think it would be fair angazi.
Okunye futhi efuze sibekwazana, even though kuyinto esingakwanisi ukuyichintsha zonke nini. Ayisibo bonke abantu abadlala ibhora aba-intelligent. Ayisibo bonke abantu abadlala ibhora aba-understand. Some they are slow learners, they got talent.
What in academically?
Academically.
Because intelligence yebhora kulabanye aba
No,
serious.
that's what I'm talking about. Academically, because nxa usiyahlala phansi ikhafu lana or something, ufuze ubhale, uhlale phansi ubhale.
Kuyafika mjala.
Owindi abaningi abalaphana ku-6 Avenue. Ngizakhuluma enye ipoint uMasude ngamfakazela. Ayisikho ukuthi khona abafuna ukuthatha ama license. Yakwazi behlulwa kwini? Into konke into ayi-provisional konke. Ukuthi bebhale isikhiwa kuphela. But ngathi abakwanisa ukuba nambe bekufaka ngesindebele bake advocate ukuthi bekuzwisise bekulokuza bonke bayabala ama license. So that's where the problem is.
Serious point.
Nxa besenza esikhiweni, nxa besenza u-Europe UEFA but bakwenza ngama languages
Languages
abo.
abo.
Thina sifuna ukwenza isikhiwa. Asukufakeni nawa
I think
languages.
that's
Wonke umuntu yaba la
I think
certificate.
that's a serious
Mina I
point.
think ngiyavumelana nobutho vele ngavumelana ku first point yakhe lana ukuthi banenga abantu abadriver kahle but bengalama license. Yabona banenga abantu abacoacha even khona phezimo but ama chance ukuthi bebe lo cafe kubanzima. Why izifa ingenzo kunye kuyi platform ukuthi ulift yabona bana abantu bona bana ukuthi uyababona ukuthi aphathe umuntu lo uyabona ngesikhathi sikhuluma ngobaba. Ngesikhathi ukuthi wawubona everybody here in Bulawayo, especially in Bulawayo emathebeleni nto recognize ubaba.
Akulamntu adla ezandleni.
Ube kwazi ukuthi ubaba nje. But kube kwaba lo i-platform umuntu uyabona ukuthi aphathe umuntu uyabulala nje. Ngana sifundisa ubaba ube ilokuzeni ikude. Manje because ubebona ukuthi umuntu lo vele uyabulala ngento nale
National team
yanje.
standard.
Kulokuthi wasting money, wasting wathi uyefundisa umuntu vele maybe ufundela ibhora yakho kana ukuthi athola imali akala ndaba lakho vele wathi you end up usithola ama results afiliyo.
That's true. Nxa ngicabanga uzidala uwine kangake lokuzeni ni UEFA ka 3 times in a row. But kayenzanga ngesikhiwa UEFA pro yakhe. Kayenzanga ngesikhiwa.
Uzidala.
But thina sifuna ukuyenzwa ngesikhiwa because sabona nganto umuntu okhuluma isikhiwa ufundile ukwedlula umuntu okhuluma isindebele. Okhuluma isishona, okhuluma isikhalanga. That's where the problem is. Asukufakeni elimini lethu. Because even nxa sengicoacha lapha nanza ukuthi wena akumake wena. Akwenze atwenze njani? Because sikwenza utraining.
Ilanguage
yethu yebhola asifakeni ngesilimi lethu.
So lapho uDijo nguthi engablock ama results ba ule language barrier.
It's possible.
It's possible.
Highly
100% it's possible.
Lapha savereza nje. Washikhulume ngongozo nje. Let's say ungozo ucoach yayilinda nje, umcoach abafana bakho bebulawa Chiefs nje. Ngendlela azakhuluma ngayo labo nje. Ezayenza ngayo izinto labo. It's very ile difference than uDijo ngozabuye ekhulume ngayo.
Yabo wesavereza mina nginika umbuzo olula khayina kulombuzo othi kona what is the sequence of a robot? Sesibuza umuntu oku6 Avenue. Ibale lithi sequence lena. But i-robot nxa lilayita lilandelana njani? Uyaphendula ukuthi sengithe sequence akasayiphendula. So hlokwampula ngakho ilanga lonke ecabanga ngo-sequence. Isikhathi sesithatha.
Yeah, so kuthiwa hayi Buddha sibuza labana abangale new sequence angimali.
Yabona. But kodwa umuntu uyafuna i-license. Uyafuna ukudrive. Yikho okwenza sibe lengozi eziningi futhi emgwaqweni those sibalekele kwebhoreni. Ukuthi abantu because sithi right imoto very something which is practical. Ngizabe ntshintsha amagiya left 1 2 3 4. Sengidrive imoto. Sengithola i-chance yokudrive ngayekele. Asuze ngiyekele sengidrive sengizakwenza extend phambili because angikwazi ukuthi nxa ngifika ku stop sign kufuze ngiyenzeni stop nxa uthi khona ku give way you proceed only if the road is clear on both sides. Angikwazi ukuthi both sides bachona. Ayisiki ukuthi wonke umuntu uyakwazi. But ungamfundisa umuntu nxa ufika ku give way sayini ukuthi hayi kufuze ume uze uhambe nxa ukuthi khona zonke indawo akulani umuntu engakunikela
ukuthanga ulimi lwabantu
uhlale ungakhoni ngesandla soku imoto ukuthi nxa unemoto evele esandleni sakho sokudla you always know ukuthi I have to check right before I turn.
So was the point
becomes easy.
Ipoint kabutho ngithatha ngokuthi uzathola abantu bebhora abaningi academically
they're not good.
90%.
They're not good.
Worldwide I can't nga
Worldwide
you know zidala bona abakhuluma ngabo uyathola academically they're not good.
but they've
But
got
the fact-
ideas of ibhora.
more than ama-professor wona lawa abazithi ngama-professor
Yinto
because
yastart
lawana
eGermany.
ngama-school lawana
Yinto yastart
ngama-school.
eGermany.
Yikho
soccer.
siba namacoach amalutshwana.
I-German soccer usitata kokha ukuthi hayi no man lethe ikubona abantu abaningi bathi i-German wayisenza so hayi i-German iyenzisa umuntu wabo and embone ufike khona ngalo ukhuluma ilanguage naleya lama players ngayo Wolfsburg bakubenjani
navuka khona ameruqazenza ikhosi
uyenza ikhosi eGerman elanguage yabo
even noma ufuna usayina uliplayer
eh.
I think even lase-Italy
Eh.
uhambe yenza ama-Italian classes whatnot.
It's a big point. I think and believe ukuthi izifa bazathola isikhathi beke besilalele imbono lesikhuluma because these are very important topics and lebaneng o coach can umfana lo kathi he wasn't qualified that guy umfana no Antazi he wasn't qualified that guy very young but ibhoru belazi
Clifford.
100 to Clifford. Imagine so there are so many abanjengana uthola ukuthi academically they are not gifted but ibhoru balazi
Vele akula umuntu odala ulimi lona esifunda ngalo uthi khona sifundisa indebele kuphela ngesindebele.
Language barrier.
Language
Ulimi
barrier.
kuphela because ngase uchasiswa lapha eclassini yabo ngase kuyasokulahle kudala.
I get it.
Ulimi olwenza sifeyile upha.
So guys
Indaba singasifeyili isindebele sakhona nxa ukuthi kunzima.
guys khona bana comment section let's engage sizwe ukuthi ngembono yethu le imbono yethu lawo ngawakho umbono uyibona njani indaba le moving on gents ngithanda uqala kuMasudi awukhale kakhulu ngebhasi yezifa i-team lapha ise uAfcon ihamba eScotland awayiphoza wadla imali kuBooters ithengile izifa ibhasi
I standard sebus hayi
Ayisizwe.
uzahlala usola
Hayi,
mhlobo.
no.
Nami lapha ngiyasola bra.
no yawazi ungabona sisola nje
Eh.
sabe sikhangela ukuthi izifa it's a national one sesikhangele
I-motherboard.
South Africa motherboard sesikhangela ngaphi ngathi sesibona abantu bebuya ngamabhasi abo mdala besibukele ilokuzeni Africa lapha eMorocco mdala ubona ukuthi bebehamba amabhasi kanjani ubusuya kuthiwa nasi twa ibhasi eZimbabwe emele bephuma uphana mdala okhaso obhasi lokhaya
But mina I think as we all know ukuthi izifa ihlala isithiwa ni-cash strapped and so ingela mali I think maybe yadijiphile njengoba yonke into isihamba
imali iphume under 5
iphume under 5 lesopti la le entsha ibhasi asoze behambe beyibambise ezikweretini
Madoda.
uyazi befuna ukuthi before you continue ukuthi
That
yazi befuna uthini ukuthi it's a start
hayi ngikhonapha
Madoda ilokuzenini isisivela kulokuzenini ku Afcon. Just to feature ku Afcon kule 500,000 ku group stage la. I 500,000 ungathatha i 75,000 ethinga ipasi ngile ngebhoso la. La nxa ukuthi khona abanye bethu abayibona inhle abanye bebona inhle kodwa ingcono. Izikolo zilamabhasi amahle kakhulu kule bus la. Izikolo ama primary schools alabantwana abayi less than 1,000
ngasukufake so
zilemabhasi amahle.
ngasukufake so
iZimbabwe ilabantu abangu 15 million ilama teams amangaka affiliated with that ilokuzenini ile zifa ebanika ithiwa yini FIFA ebanika imali ile CAF ebanika imali hayi
ngasukufake so
Chifayo.
ngasukufake so akusakhulumeki
lokhana kwenze
so ngicela ukuthi kwastos ibhasi lana lifakela ama viewers
alani bus ayenzi
abangayibonanga.
ayenzi bus lana le
Hayi,
bekungcono
yenzi.
sisebenze eScotland yakhona
hayi
Ngcono sithathe e-primary school.
lokana ise no Jane
esikolo vela
lokana ise at least sebehamba ngayena leyana ebhalwe izifa
Ale-
eyabo ezifa
ayibe ngestaff liyana lokuhambisa istaff emsebenzini ayikhulu
Ale
kahle
lifuna-
abafana
Hayi,
like what we saying and when abantwana bonke bagqoka ama school shoes wakho umntwana ehamba igqoka amasandaki ehambe ephume engene
Yawathi-
class kuyaphuma ni class
yawathi
izulu liyabe lisina
Sapereza.
Liyana into
Liyabona from
chamasandala.
January.
zwana isinto esitsho lobutho la ukuthi siyaphikisa nje look at okasitheni Morocco ukuthi Morocco sibone eZimbabwe bona bekade phela kumele ube lenhloni makade la wothi uattendile khona ngala nje labo bagade amabhasi anzima ngala ade mahla nje okay look at lapha eSouth Africa Orlando Pirates mabehamba nje besiya estadium amabhasi abo ubusufaka ezifa lapha kumbe iCaps United
Even e-platinum.
eplatinum usufaka lezifa lapha
ibhasi lade bephiwa inyarazo lana
kutshoni ngokala madoda
Izorora pho.
ayinhle kakhulu
kutshoni ngokala
beyenza iplan ukuthi bethenge yona
abantu bakhali
lokhana.
isihlala sithi iqiniso liqiniso njani
ibhasi
ibhasi kalihlohlo lani ibhasi
Phela kwazi mina
la ibhasi imbi la
ibhasi le nanti mina ngangakazumi lapha abantu kubhale izifa ngitshela maybe mina ibhasi
mina
ye-prison
Zodwa
Yokhala ivocha mntana.
maybe April.
mina ngasingamanga ngize ngisendele lapha ngasingamanga ngazobona kunews umuntu othi ngiyevula inews
Mina wazisendela ngathi akulawo into enje.
mina ngamsendela wathi hayi mana ngabona kunews ngahle ngathula ngisakhomenta
Wajala mbulala imbawo.
Hayi
bekade pasesibotshwe ikade sibotshwe
Hayi ntshongolo.
nje awafana ngabethu labana nje
mdala ungathi mawuzedla ikhabitha uthi vele ikhabitha yabulala ngobunandi hayabulala uhlulekile ukuthi uthenge into enjani mdala.
Maybe into ezinjana futhi imbo yaje affective in the play because umuntu lwane engagadalana ibhasi sisegada umakopolo le air conditioner lana yaba le stage fright so yathi amaphaphu vele
yikho sikuthi phela
Yokhala kulali lesi.
Yazi why besithi se start. Maybe they will improve from that. But on a serious note, ngendlela esukufake ngayo. I-priority, I think they don't prioritize
football,
ibhora proper because imali is just an excuse.
imali sinesikuthi
Imali is just an excuse. Imali is just kungakhanyela.
lena ngikuthwala istaff le
Khanyela khathi uchiva ukhiphe 250 wathi lana izabe manje umagwitsi kuze kuphele i-investigation there.
i-matrixing.
I-250 lana iyakwanisa ukuthenga ibhasi proper. Singakakhulumi singakayinga like proper serious bus. So I think i-priority izifa i-prioritize.
Ehla wonke lemaceleni.
Prioritize ibhora le
engameleli ukungena
because I don't think ibhasi
le
liyana
chamber
yes represent a proper
alala so basi
asikopasi.
Kumbe ncwebe bathela
ibhasi ukuthi abafana bathi bekhamba bethiwa misa mana for recess uthwele ama warriors uthi mana for recess ifuze bengine khona ibhasi ikhamba bechaya ingamanga ezibefika lapha bakhona
ekuningi man Mighty Warriors. Let's be about Mighty Warriors. Umhla ka-18 seseduze. I think it's
2 days ago
2 days to go.
Namhla 16.
So nge-Wednesday i-Khosafi yaqalisa. Sike sabona umama u-deputy minister wafika lapha u-Emily Jasia. Wafika be-trainer lapha. Wabathembisa wathi hayi i-government isizakhangela izikhalazo ze-women's football. Is it not a good thing? And I think if we're going in that direction kukhangelwe ngoba sesikhari kakhulu nge-women's football.
It's a good thing if they are going to fulfill ama promises abo because ungakhayela amankazana of all the times vele bahlala baba promise but bengafulfill. Angikwazi ukuthi last time kwaba le issue babekhala ngayo bahambe ngama Olympic wathi babephiwa amafoni babephiwa amafoni lamafoni lana mbonto afika kibo afikanga kibo kuthiwa kufuneka iduty but kwakuyinto nje yokumotivate abantu by then yabo. Imagine wena khayisi uyathuba uyithabile uvela khona le Brazil ubuye le phone yakho uthi phone ayisale la ungathiwa sibuye le Brazil ungavuma yini uzadliza nroba phela futhi
so ebafazini i-seriousness ngingazi ukuthi this time because ngani ama changes abuya
maybe kuzahlela njengoba kungumuntu ongumfazi ongathi uhamba phambili.
I think singayala sikhuluma ngakho indaba enje people everywhere in social media singayekela ukukhuluma and advocate for girl child. The problem with our leaders ukuthi khona they only advocate for gender nxa senja umfazi nxa sisokuselo into yokuthi khona sihlukumeza amalungelo omfazi okumchaya and something, but they always call about gender equality, gender balance and so forth. But when it comes to promoting a girl child abasakwenzi ngendlela abayenza ngayo nxa bemfikela ukuthi singamhlukumezi or abuse and something. So I think if they can do it the same way ukuthi khona they value the girl child as they value umuntu ongumfazi nxa esexabane lomkakhe kumbe sexabane le boyfriend yakhe and something like that kumbe nqindezwe emsebenzini kwezindawo bengakwenza ngendlela enjalo, I feel ukuthi khona they get the proper support they need, because we don't see ourselves as different. We are only different on sexual organs, but we are all human beings. We deserve to live, because ama single mothers ku national team they have to support ama breadwinners, they have to support the family. So they have to be catered for, get the money. When nxa siyadlala ngale edlale ginqa ukuthi khona as much as I'm representing the badge, I'm also working for my family, because in number one priority imuli yakhe before he or she rather before she thinks of us. So kufuze uqhakatheke ukuthi baqhakathekise ukuthi engathi esebenza ukuthi imali yakho nakona bizabuya abantwana nizambhadalana school fees. So akwenzakala ukuthi the same way kwenzakala ngayo bafaneni ukuthi bathola izimali zona ezisiphumba ukuthi khona nansi 200 for i-welfare nansi lokuze nini, singaqhakathekisa abafana kuphela.
I think ubomama sesikhale kakhulu.
Awu mama sisibancane.
I remember siqala ukukhala besikhala ngoma toiletries kuphela abomama ukuthi yabona bayahamba yakwazi ukuthi umuntu ongumfazi even lawo noba sendayo loba indoda even lawo usenda umfazi wakho kumbe umna wakho umhambise ebhodini uyakwazi ukuthi umntwana oyintombazana mase efike ejini leyi ulalokho akudingayo ilama toiletries anje uyahambisa amantombazana without ukona amalokho kwakuyikuyangisa kwakuyukuthi vele abanakwa like yabo and then you expect someone ukuthi abuye lama results uhlula ama toiletries
akulampinki ezingomama yini lazo zike zingenele sho
uyakwazi even ikit ubucheck ukuthi ikit ungacheka kwamanye amazwe ama-kit sebe-designer like abo mama proper but ungachecka kithi I'm sure ukuthi lana ngama-gents lawa I'm 100% sure lana ngama-gents uyakwazi kade sebawachuna like uthi hayi lesi skipper sabo-cherry lesi asigqoka ngumjida lesi esedisk but lesana esendibona kuyagqokelwana sibili bonti lesi umember la
sabe sikhitshwe kuZimbabwe ama-under lokuzini
isipoint engiyakini
ama-juniors
isipoint engiyakini so ukuthi i-priority I think issue vele enkulu I think iku-priority kuma-leaders etebhora omama kumele bedizayinele ikhithi ukuthi iskipper sibona nxa usicheckile yabona ama-replica nxa uthenga ama-replica ezweni let's say for example e-South Africa omama bathenga i-replica yabomama.
The funny thing is that amankazana lana abawancindezelayo they are the ones who always produce better results than men.
Khathi sibukhuluma ama-Olympics
They produce better results than us amadoda but nonetheless asibaphathi njengabantu asibathandenini sitshengisele ukuthi khona we are advocating for gender equality sibanikeni imali yabo sibanikeni ithuba labo lifanele behluleke bodwa not because of us
resources there
because umuntu yathe ku camp camp uhambe esiya ku camp excuse me ebesengena esikhathini so fuze ethole ama-pads aproper ahambelana layo for i-sport for ama-sports akasathole sethola la ama-ordinary ones even ama-ordinary ones angayenziwi ukuthi kone kwanisa ukugijima e-ground kuhle comfortable because uzisebenzisele eyakhe imali but we've got an association which know that is dealing with the ladies they need those things which are needed to help them ukuthi bekwanisa ukudlala kuhle ibhora even though esesikhathini kungakhanyi.
Mina I'm just hoping
I just hope ama-funds engakhishwa azafika kiyo
to the intended even khona lokho bekukhuluma bekuthembisa i-ministry I think we might see a change ku-women's football ngoba hey akunenge madoda
abahlukumezwa lo
blind on another note gents I think this one we have to give credit where is due guys. Chawanda Stadium sibonile Chawanda Stadium yazimbone le emozi le ngemozi le Scotland
eshamva
ama supporter ulokhuzeni Thombani ogege lo
kuzeni usasupport Scotland
ogege
lo wasuka ku Caps cha ngu7
yabona ama-agency lawa ngwabona ese stadium lesa eChawanda mdala aso stadium esincane lesana yebo but to
imbheda yikho kule
mbheda mbheda uyakule room kule hotel okuyimini hotel phakathi uyazibhukhela kumele nce igaming ngeSaturday uzibhukhele ngeFriday ukini udlala e-stadium hayi Chawanda Stadium abasipanile ochumu labo Chawanda
because zinengi izinto engizibonileyo othiwa is one of the first lokhu in Africa one of the first lokhu lapho even uhlala khona ama-players ibilawana yabona
even i-ticketing system
yeah I think we say thumbs up to uchawa uthambani uchadirect uthambani lifiza kanje
ungakhohlwa
uchawanda lo lokuzeni nomprofit umprofit umagaya most people they are always giving praise to Uchawanda but they forget ukuthi khona ubenefactor wakhe ngumagaya and with the advice and the help they are getting bakuthethe isikhathi sabo sokuthi bekwenze with consulting as well i-CAF consulting ukuthi khona each and every stage labe FIFA each and every stage they were going through the consulting ukwenzela ukuthi khona sibe approved for ilokuzeni national team I think let drainage yabo it will be better so nxa sivulwa ngeSaturday I think
but 28
mhla 28 because funa khona umpresident so I think nxa singavulwa after that I'm hoping ukuthi khona our next home game for the national team sabe sekhwekwe nxa kukuthi khona i-CAF ibuyazo approve
iyahost ama-A games yana
iyahost ama-games and amahoteli ikhwekwe ilali ihotela so izibhedlela sikhona futhi ekhwekwe so I think we can be able to be watching i-national team at home. So we say thank you to Mr. Makaya, thank you to Mr. Chawanda. I'm hoping that so many people whom God has blessed with Ismali who are football lovers just go and buy land or partner with the city council and build a stadium. I think kuyasinceda ukuthi if more foreign currencies to come lathi ekugcineni singahost i-AFCON kumbe sigcine sihost i-World Cup lanxa kuyabe konke kungamaphupho nje kamanje.
Just hopefully uthi project enjalo izalo kuza le talent vision andlabo they also want to build a stadium ngapha esigotini so hopefully la sizawa standards so siya kube kube proper
mina ngicabangani yazi sithola abantu abanjani eZimbabwe nje abantu abayakha ama-stadium manje abo Chawanda stadium ubusizwe kuthiwa iZimbabwe yafeyila amalokozeni kanti why bona abantu into ade sikhuluma ngayo why bona abantu subabona ukuthi bale idea bale love for the thing ye football why bengafakwa kube yibo asithi yibo abaphezulu wona kube konke obeef konke kube right kube le Zimbabwe vele idlalela khona because lona ukwenze yena ngokwakhe why yazi Zimbabwe kulabantu abathanda into zebhora but because bafaka omunye umuntu kumbe kuthiwa kuvele e-United States kufunde ngapi what khangela into azihambe khela umuntu eyedwa serious
sesibuyele endaweni yesikolo endaweni yesikolo nabo coach
yabona amakhiwa balomutsho wethi khona if you want something done good do it for yourself ungafuna into iyenzakala ehlizenzele wena this initiative bebezenzela bona abanikazi bongu2 uShepherd lo kuzenini lo bebezenzela bodwa nxa sokusenziwa national sports stadium into i-government yabe sithume the third party u-third party yabefuna ukuthi la ama center abethontela make sure ukuthi kulesikhala esithontisa something ama center abethontela esikhwameni sakhe so kuze kwenze proper kuyabe kunzima kuyasokufuna
nxa ngimuzwa ukuthi uMasudu uyathini uthi sesibonile ukuthi uShepherd bayenza. Why can't we take abantu abayibo abasiranelayo
hayi besafika khona ukuthi khona so nxa ukuthi khona umuntu ukwenze watshengisa ukuthi ukwenzakala kanjani anjabona ukuthi bakwenze kwaba kahle and I always tell people ukuthi khona fail means fail attempt in learning. Uma gaya ukwazama i-Art Stadium la nxa uyikhangela usafika i-Art Stadium kuhle entrance yakho ninhle but ayisabanga to ayisamithi ama standards and amithanga ama standards. Now the second attempt ibe excellent. You see, so ukwazama wakihle kwemehlula wasesiya kwenye level wathola umuntu ongamncetsana naye kwaba level. So I problem ukuthi khona thina abantu asifuni uadmit ukuthi lapha sehlulekile, sifuna ukuthi siyakwanisa. Yebo, so nxa ungabona uyehleke enye into dinga umuntu ongakuncedisa ucha uWalt uzonisha wanda wabona ukuthi khona uMagaya ukwazamile kuzenini stadium sakhe.
Let me give
my guy muzi Magaya okwenze kwayala kuwe lapha kuyini uMagaya ithi lapha ukuthi ngangaconsult as consult lapha ukuthi ngangizenza mina ngikwaziyo asenze so kunokuphuma something better even though it's not the best.
Ngibonile uMagaya and yena even I-presentation yakhe ubona ukuthi sebatshengisa labana abeminister i-confidence yakhe bekutshela ukuthi umuntu lo sekhuluma ngento ayaziyo akasayifaniseni.
Nabe yakwazi phela ukuthi maybe u-engineer behind the
endlela nje sekucacisa othi ucacisa ngayo awukufake sobalo ku-history wakhe and that stadium would be uthi sithi one of is the best
in Zimbabwe.
Nguthabela yana iKwekwe Central Kwekwe Central so wonke umuntu like uzabe
trophy vele ayisime Kwekwe nxa ukuthi i-Islanders kumbe i-team ekobula iyengathatha
ayisime nini Kwekwe Central sonke seyilande trying ukuthi benjani
behlanganisa abantu
ibhora lifike like indawo zonke.
Isifiso besilaso ukuthi siyefika sibone i-stadium sivula nxa lawo lapho khona ubukele ubona hayi man ni pass movie echa ipass movie special uyaphonga ukuthi agents let's collaborate ama collaborations avuma
ngabe le transport yakho siyahamba
siyafika madoda khona ukuthi ezimalini sabe singela lutho but nxa uwell wisha khona ubukele uyancedisa lawo siyefika sikutshengise proper from ama cameras ethu ama lens ethu sabe le 3 media team ethu yes capture kuhle sikubonisa ukuthi no nasi stadium siyaphila on the 28th of February, official opening ye Chawanda Stadium. I think that's lovely, gents.
It will be very good.
Proper
It will be very good.
it will be lovely. Moving on, gents, unengi there was another issue ongayifuniyo. I think uChomlo simbonile zonke. Uthiwa iMasoya, uthiwa wini ngesikhiyo. Uthiwa iMasoya, uthiwa wini was uChomlo botoza abantu. Uthiwa yini? Mesus. uChomlo Lennon Gwara umbonini? Lennon Gwara Mesus whatever the English word. But umjida ubesesayine kuchicken simbonile ba. Nangu umjida
sesimbona kuSimba Bora.
jiki iteam saseKariba nangu umjida sebuyelile kuSimba Bora.
So mina lifuna ngithi
Yazi ubuna nepuzzle move. Ubuna nepuzzle move.
Iyachavele lapho la uhlezi.
Yeah.
Ngabe linda ngiza kuthinta ube ngwechief zakuthinta.
Yuna
namuhla
nepuzzle.
khaya ngathi ihlokale lifuna ukugamula echickenini uhamba njani
no, to be honest, and my honest answer, without fear or favor, lami ngubona lokuzini ku social media angezwa anyone even kuma groups kusendwe ka one group I think kone group and akula muntu owakhomenta ngakho because awusila muntu okwaziyo we don't have any information regarding that. So I can lie nxa ngakutshela ukuthi ukuhamba njani. Ukuhamba njani definitely anyame ngiqamba manga akula nto engiyazi.
Uyawazi why ngihle ngangena endabeni engabuza wena. When you were the first person ukuthi ukuthi kobulawayo nje ngaswela umuntu
Hayi lapha ngani sakuhlungu but sokwabhudla ngisela ndaba lapho.
bese uthimiza isikhalazo sakho
uzubona yahle yachaya lapho okhuluma ngokuthi hayi akwenzi ukuthi obulawayo swela umuntu okubasathi umjidwa uyela kuSimba Bora
Akusithi wengizwa
But-
ngakho.
wakuzwa.
Bathi umntwana vele yena khangathi la ukati wengekho Scotland la season.
Usho mntwana wakuSimba Bora
Wasuka kuSimba Bora,
wa
waku
kuScotland. Ubukhanyena kahle kathi uhamba lo ndirayo. Khanya uhamba lo ndirayo. But khathisa ngazi ukuthi sebehlukene. Mepe ngce uChomi imali ayifuna mepe ngce kuyafika. Oyisponsor kuyasicava kakhulu. Ngama speculation.
Nguye futhi we-national team phela nguyo
Nguye national team.
Konke sesikukhuluma sesispekulate ukuthi
sesichama
ibhora
speculation.
seligcwele iscience kakhulu ekhulunywa ngolokuzelini ngocoach weMauritius because nasadlala ibhora singafana singakwazi ukula abantu abamessage ayibhora sesingakwazi umsebenzi wokuqhatshela
Ngathi nokukhabithara ufaka ihlabathi.
yikho yoma injury lawo nesisikhona ayikona lokho khona lathi sibona soma injury lawo
le tare ngikhona ungayikhaba lo ungabonanga igazi
Eh.
awungadlali ilanga
continue qhubeka
sithi manje ubamba ibhora so ubona igazi
usukhona yathina ihlabathi ubophu udlale futhi
So
ibhora
sokajinja
so kajinja but nonetheless okwenzakele ukwenzakele if we get any information obviously the person move will know but for now angila nto engiyaziyo angila nto engayikhuluma And-
why I raised it that bengikhumbula ngendlela uthi kobulawayo nje singaswela umuntu omasathi abantu. That's why I raised that issue ukuthi hawumjida uLennon Gwara sesimbona chicken
Yeah,
nini
iqiniso.
Simba Bora. So
And
if
for
was
now,
clarity
lami,
to what's
ngela
happening.
clarity
Yeah.
even nancade ngabe ngikwazi something it was not going to be easy for me to share ngabe le official announcement but even the club hasn't said anything towards that so akula nto engiyaziyo.
And I saw let's move on. Eka Lennon Gwara I think sesibuya ngapha kuPutas. Ay akapha ziyakhala.
amhlophe mntana
Makorokoto
amhlophe makorokodo
win
congratulations
Siyakangena ukuwina. Asiqaseni ngezibuhlungu ngikhanya nazipheli. Ngiyabona indaba kaVezibuhle. Uve ube ngu-treasurer ube yini uve
umkandla
no uve
ave committee member
uve la
senior yakhe
ugama
ngama lesikhundla kunyatheza ku committee khona phela
kwasongconi uncheckeni usfact checkele because we need ama facts uncheckele kaVe then kule issue kaNkala ngama legal fight la angana akhona kwayile I think uEzra summed it up very well uEzra wayibhala like proper ukuthi what's happening there. I think that's unfortunate incident eyenzakala kulokhuzeni kwaLenders.
Was
I'll just
executive.
let me just go through, because why I'm saying it's very unfortunate, because ama-court
ayifunakali into
afunakala eBoreni, awafunakali. iFIFA
iFIFA can ban
can
iLenders
ban
ikhipha ingadlali bathosi
iyayilinda igcine isithwele nzima
in
kakhulu.
celebrity 100 years
lihle lichile kumoya lani masapoti phela njengoba ichila wonke umuntu umoya.
lahle libuye ku-Chiefs le-chicken
no.
So let me just get actually I think I've got it somewhere here eduze.
but yena unkala wayengaphambanisanga uku-announce nje lokuzeni i-audit report yakhe
Legal threats that had robbed the Islanders. I think I'll take a summary from what Ezra said. Because the Islanders Football Club finds itself at a dangerous crossroads after two senior executive members, committee members, reportedly threatened legal action against their own club and its elected treasurer, Nkani Khoza. The move has sent shockwaves through IPOSO and raised serious questions about leadership, governance, and adherence to football statutes. Executive Committee member Khanman Ndlovu, Secretary General Morgan Geza Dube, through their lawyers, are said to have demanded their treasurer, Nkani Khoza, withdraw his financial report presented at last month's annual general meeting and issue a public apology. They argue that the contents of the report damaged their reputation and cast doubt on their integrity. However, their decision to escalate the matter outside internal football structures may carry consequences far beyond the reputational concerns. I think this is what we're talking about.
Yeah, that's true. I think like what we're saying, ukuthi kona every in industry yayo ile lwazi lwayo. Nxa ungenalwazi lwayo le ndawo kule problem, laba bantu bakuthatha into zebhora bezifake zibe personal. And unkani when he reported lokuzeni i-audit report yakhe lana, the audited report is a chartered accountant by profession, by the way. He never accused anyone. Ngokubona kwami, he never accused anyone. He was just saying ukuthi kona kule 5,000 yasebenzayo lapha isiya kuma committee members so awucacanga ukuthi yasebenza njani. Kule mali engaka so yasebenza kulokho ayicacanga ukuthi yasebenza njani. And he never mentioned the name or blamed or accused anyone. Wayekhuluma nje umuntu reporter, which is proper because it's public funds. They need to be known ukuthi yasebenza njani. So laba bona abathi kona the guilt is always afraid. Nxa uvile kwasulu lecala ulomzwa ngiyedwa subona ngani kwakhona ngonjani batsho wena sufuna ukuthi kuyadinga ukuthi khona kuphume kusiya kulokuzenini. And whether he gives a public apology, withdraws his statement, nothing changes. Sesizwile elikantulo sesivele selezwakala. And taking ama legal actions is because they don't understand ukuthi khona into zebhora zihanjiswe court, but nxa bekwazi bayofuna ama personal gains over the cost of the institution Islanders, which means they're not there for the betterment of the club. They are there for themselves. Yakwazi ukuthi khona wena I've got a friend of mine oyesti khona umntanakhe wa reverse imoto yakhe yakudla umduli because wayekwazi umntanakhe kala license wasesithi nguyade drive. Why? Because you want to protect the same thing you can do that. You can take the blame for the protection of your family. You can take the blame for the protection of the institution. Ohlala kiyo. Akula muntu iyaLenders azangithi kona ifuna kuba bophisa. Azangithi ifuna imali yayo back. So why usuqasa ukubiza ama lawyers? Ukwazi ukuthi kungagcina ama lawyers sehlekile because lawyer ufuna imali yakhe kuza kuye court. The moment ukusiye court whether bazatholakala unkane lecala kumbe ngelacala ibhoso sisemankingeni.
I think that's the same precedent ethethwe nguve. Uvela, I think is saying is owed something like 44k. Yeah, he's saying he's owed something like 44k, and he's also taking his case to court angayiso awebhora, which ku-FIFA vele akuvunyelwa. You rather indaba lana uyihambise kulokhuzeni arbitration. Understand?
And lapho bhayiza khona nti into abhayiza ngayo ukuthi uyihambise court court ama results akhona la nxa uziwina case yakhona nti awakho beneficiary than nxa ungahambisa arbitration because arbitration yakuthi khona bhadalana umuntu lo with isikhathi esingaka or face ama fines ama lokuzelanje ama consequences amanje
like ingezi.
And imali lana ebizaphuma kuphela whether nxa ingasaphumanga which means it's the collapse of the institution.
ayayekela uphuma nti ungacheka uBrito ikuchiva agcine sebhadala fast
kanti le ndawo ayivele every time usithi ungaba le sponsor kumbe ungaba le mali abantu yikhala phansi sebekhumbula khona izikwereti ola lo ngwaye baba bengakhulumi ngakho nawe la mali
kwangela mali
so abantu laba
abala teammate
they're only there for imali
Who's electing them then?
laba badla imali baba yonke administration yonke office yonke la bayakuyimali mama sokunje sokusponsor lo munye la yabe sedonsela lapha yena alele khona ukuthi okutsho ukuthi umuntu abengela heart vele ka Islanders
ulanda umsebenzi
that's why ama protocols ukuthi manje mina ndathi Islander ngiyise maye ukuthi kumile complain over this issue mele ngithathe according to football ngithathe ngihambise nga bona bayithatha bavas face awungahambelaniyo vele which means kuyawubonisa is a sign to show ukuthi abantu abagcwele laba vele asibo khokhelwa abantu abangasibo and labantu lokho bekhona ngabantu abangasibo so this thing will always go and goes on
Just imagine.
but khathesi mina esinye hlala sekukhalela ukuthi welfare ama players Islanders ibe catered for. I think imnuzenzo lapha na high lapha le choose a good candidate
as
a manager.
So okay, let's divert to subalekela laba
uzenzo ngaze bekhethe
ngaze ikude ukuze
but abawe malusi ukuphuma amalubos khona
lapho namo
hayi yabona usaverezo subalekela laba amakhosi but it still goes back
aso sithi nxa sichaya abafazi ezindlini sivuke kusena umfazi efaka imakeup kungakhanti uchayiwe sesitwa khona ulokuze nikezwe buhlungu behind the skin behind the makeup uzwe buhlungu umuntu lo so into ekhona ukuthi khona uzenzo yi-makeup uzenzo yi-makeup ekhava amanxeba njengokukhuluma kwakhe lokho ema-results ayizulu lana yi-makeup akhava amanxeba ayenzakala ebuhlungu but nxa kukuthi khona unguwe ukukhangela ukuthi khona injabulo athi labantu just imagine the joy those people had izolo abantu I could feel abantu abadala they were so happy with that victory zolo then you want to rob them of that. How do you think they will feel?
And imagine 100 years.
Ngomnyaka we-100 how do you think they will feel? Because of your personal gains. Umuntu lona unkani khoza zangethi khona kufunakala imali lana bheki. Iphoza zangethi khona ifunakala imali lana bheki. They were just reporting ukuthi yikho unjani. This is the financial statement. And as a chartered accountant, i-reputation yakho unga reporter which is something wrong, you lose it. Uyagcina usuziphambanisa wazisela ama-marks akho ama-ranks akho whatever i-credibility yakho
mayelana labana phela bakhala ngokuthi bona njengoba kuyibo aba-responsible for kokya yena lo sekhulume njalo labo sebengabantu abanjani
ababe emphakathini
ababonakala njengabantu abanesandla
thina sifundanga ngathi abakhuluma ngakho vele bese
wathi ungafunda kahle ngaqamba amagama abantu aqamba amagama abantu nje bona just because bayakwazi ukuthi lapha kulokunye ukuchaya amanzi nje yikho bele guilty but lapha ku wrong so yikho sithi i-Islanders nje kuba nzima ukuthi uthi ngapha hayi ama players they are catered for nje why listing ngapha kunjani yabo so ngoba vele i-Islanders igcwele labantu abazokudla bona personally ikubona ama minutes eshort
inhlanzi vele ibole ekhanda so wena yikho ukutsho ukuthi as long ngapha ekhanda kule
kuthi icela ama minutes last season awulawo uthi ayisefonini kabani
hayi khipha izandla ekhanda ungadani kakhulu
asedani
but you can't run iclub njengayo lento irun unganura le muzi wakho ngeke urane njalo
going forward I think abantu ndathatha kuwe ukuthi abantu kumele be-understand umthetho webhora first.
Exactly.
Abantu abasebhoreni abona ama-induction lokhu zena aqakathekile abantu kumele be-induct to the institution umuntu ebekwazi ukuthi nxa ngingena ku-institution le what am I expecting?
Ningathatha umuntu ngama-qualifications amitha kuphela i-standard of the job. We need a CEO, yes, but ngu-CEO one nguwebhora uyalazi na ibhora
yes,
even i-social worker adlala
yes, that's very important ngoba umuntu lona ngakwazi ebhora kulamakhodi sesuka yena sefuna ukukhipha which is wrong.
Sesenziwa
kwesikolo lokho nasikwazi ukugijima usebenzisa energy.
Mina vele sembona ukuthi ungcono iSlander nayikhipha yathi vetiti internal kumbe Doba straight eSoweto khona libuza ukuthi akula yini uaccountant lapha
You'll be shocked.
ubishocked ubona iclub eranwa kuhle
You will be shocked.
ngoba umuntu lwana okwaziyo wena umuntu ohlala eSoweto yakwazi upassionate ngeteam
Obvious.
ohlala empankweni
That's 100%.
then lwana obuye VIP bezutshona benatha amati yibo abantu manje
Asovebhora.
labana vela sobebhora
Moving on, sengithinta oyithintileyo. I think esikubona izolo everyone witnessed it. Appoint uZenzo Moyo as manager we boys. Ubusu check ukuthi there is Zenzo, there is Mkhokheli, there is Mwaruwaru, uBenjani as the head coach. I think iShayelanda lapha is going back to its roots proper like inkhumbuze isikhathi like uZenzo beyimbona nomaphepha.
exactly baba lami ngibona uyabona mina
Bembona no Ernest
izwi la izolo ngalitshela and lokho ngitshela abantu la ngasemagroupini ukuthi uZenzo ngendlela motivate ngayo ngendlela ispirit yasenza ulethe ispirit eHighlanders sisaziyo sona sasenza ngomaphepha ukuthi uyangena eground ayenza so yikubona ubambe lo Mwaruwaru ade ngeke ihambe lapha
bengafuni
akho ade lefiye asikhuluma iqiniso baba ibhatsha lihlohla
alithembakalanga
uMwaruwaru ade ngathemba ukuthi wabantu lokho
yabona into enzakala izolo to start with that win eHighlanders it gave uMaruwaru confidence because yena personally umkhangele expression yakhe he was afraid because of appointment yakhe because of how he was appointed.
I get you.
The way he was appointed he was not appointed because abantu they were not against Maruwaru abantu they were against indlela aqhatshwe ngayo. It's not ukuthi Maruwaru was wrong no the way he was employed indlela abantu abekhala ngayo but now people have moved past that. He has to now produce some results. He has to try to win the supporters. So thanks to Urokuzenini uzinjalo zethu uzamile izolo ukuthi khona appreciate uMaruwaru muyamukelele nini khona kana kwenzile ukuthi afike ezama ukujika ikepesi sisabazwa qina waqinisela uMaruwaru wayiqhubela omunye umuntu. That is proper. So by so doing because umfundisi wami uhlale sithi khona nxa ukuthi khona ufuna ukuthengela unkosikazi wakho umbi girlfriend unika girlfriend yakho present it's not about how much money you have ungamnika i10 kasozijabule but ungathenga into ye10 ufike umnike ibisa more value than because it's the thought that counts. So I thought yalana enzo nguzenzo izolo it means he knows how to win the fans, he knows those people better. Umshozi udlalela ibhoso uMaruwaru udlalela ama juniors le bhoso ulozeni uZenzo layo legend vele kweHighlanders. So now iHighlanders iculture ebhoso is going to come back.
Exactly my point.
Winning or not winning that culture has to come back with this lokuzeni ku100.
I think it rubs off to the players and kuba easy if as fans they witnessed it ukuthi no man there is something that's happening even good technical nxa uchecka nje i-technical I think khona khona songa even phezulu esihlala ihierarchy esikhala ngayo so ngarabha off because ungabona amajidala wana ngendlela ayenze ngayo it brings back ama memories ona lana island ithatha league ka4 in a row.
Even noma ungakhanyela enye into vele ukuthi iHighlander nayo sithi spirit sayo siya revive ungakhayela indlela uMahachi like abantu abamthabele
yes that's another thing
la ngendlela even ucoach emnika ama instructions esiyangena
embize la le
embize enjani wafika mbona ngathi mina ngendlela vele adetshelwe ngayo ngucoach laphana uMahachi usendleleni right ukuthi can even revive the career
say revive
ukhona bosavereza
ngakhumala
before uZethi ekwenza uZenzo kwenza nje uMahachi uZenzo uthethe over uMahachi uyabona uMahachi ngendlela ayenze ngayo nje uthe esawuma nje uthe the time ebuya ngoba beyi2 alibese bengena nje lwana uthe semila abantu lokho bengaboni uMahachi ngoyayo uMahachi uthe the time ekhumula ibhathi elikhulumela ngale esiyakuma esilokuzeni abantu bathi bahlanya nje uMahachi wasa take over ngoba nje la you know ama criticism uMahachi abantu abayalendile basemcriticize nje but uthe sebona ukuthi abantu bayenza njalo la wathi segaina ama lokuzeni ngento ayenzileyo even after the match into ayenzileyo uZenzo la ubuya wakhera ongunabona that a revival yana I restore everything man.
Umuntu lwana uyakwazi ukuthi iHighlander vele ifunani because useke waba khona
Wafana
yinto edivinjani vele bekushota abantu abanjalo abazabuya benjani
abarestore our identity into ethiwe ngubutho I like it ukuthi ethi uMaruwaru nje uMarwaro yes even kuthiwa kucoach uPhahla mbe kucoach uNgozo elethwe ngechannel liyana abantu ade bengevele ade bengeke bejabula nje but kokhana ukuthi uMarwaro yikubona uZenzo emthathile wathi asambenga even lo bantu kungozo ube yamthatha the same thing ichannel ade buye ngayo so lo Marwaro la ade mele la maybe la yabonisa hala lo bantu lefila ucine la esebonisa sekhipha
even ibhora seliphile lapha senze ishoot lapha sesikhuluma labo lapha umzisi zama ukukhuluma lawe sithi khona ngiyayifuna into yakho lesekhandle sezama you win because like now umphila into yathi aziqoki but khona kana is trying to win ama fans into eqhakathekile ukuthi uMahachi ibhora lithe liphela the first thing he did is just to run to the fence. Was the career like he was down. But the only way ever down if it yayibebuliwe ngabantu abakhulumayo. Abantu abakhulumayo the same fence. So try and win them back.
You win them back.
You win those people back first. Then even like now ungazama ukwehlika ground they will sympathize with you but the moment you say umqasa ukuchinga yabe usuphikile again.
But in this spirit kulento emfuna singayichi phandle gents. Ikit sasikhuluma sesama analyze igame. Asikhulumeni ngekiti yeHighlander indlela akade itechnical team odi gqoke ngayo abafana odi begqoke ngayo kungani service day I was not happy that I must speak. I think those are now administrative problems okumele it shows ama cracks because butho team maybe that's why it's a uniform.
Uniform.
Yeah, I think they took it upon themselves ukuthi kona it's a friendly match. Ngikubona kwami ngizange ngithi ku right. Ngizange ngithi ku right. Ngizama ukujustify into engayaziyo.
Okay, yes.
Ngizama ukujustify into engayaziyo ukuthi bacabanga maybe it's a friendly match. This is what we have. Ikit yethu sisayisebenzisa ka1 sesishama games abantu bebone ka1 so kudlala ama game. So lesebenzeni nale ikhona.
Mina okunye I think mina yabona issue eyayilendayo ile issue ngento ze sponsor and ama sponsors ama kitabo wonke I think a brandiwe. So lapana I think it's a cry for help ye sponsor ese kit but because andisike sabona issue yokuthi kuke kwavalisa khunda yaphinda yavulwa kwaso kubuya iVHO kwabuya ngapi iVHO kwabuya le inye le twayini le inyade beyigqoka bele Dynamos le ayisense sponsor athi ba sponsor bele Dynamos kusa right kusakunda kwapha kadesi akucaca ukuthi isakunda is in the house kumba injani so
bayivereza ngikubamba umlomo yebo lokhu ngiyakuzwisisa but does that make it right ukuthi mina ngigqoka Nike lo gqoka Adidas lwana ugqoke okunye does that make it right ngase ukukhangele
for a professional club
yikho bese kutsho ukuthi khona ukuthi baphamanisile the one but ungananzelela nje lokuzenini umuntu athele kit ukuphela ebhala ibizo lakhe ngoreward osebenzisa ikit ya last season so bekungiyela kit for that game ibingalungiswa ngavele kit for that bayenze ukuthi
yikho khona lapho ke esikutsho khona ukuthi iHighlanders not organized from administration sithe singena I remember behamba lo men's like I said as ngisikhathi siyasa la uthi nawo uGileni umuntu uqoka ikit kaGileni sizathi aso Gileni phela yazi from iHighlander uthi yazini iHighlanders ayikabile ayila order like itopi ngizokutshela one thing the team asiyali chickenini khona but the team ele order yabona ibulawa Chiefs baba mayingena loba ingilo kuze baba yonke into ayile order iHighlander ethi 100 years ehluleka iteam ehluleka ukungena ngekiti A1 as a uniform omunye egqonga uvela enkomeni omunye la ngani uvela lokhana baba even ku social sihamba thina ku social uzabona kwabe gqoke one lawa ama prisoners ayigqoke one thing even lama pipi begqoke one pipi not ukuthi kumbe ama pipi sesikhuma ngepipi babe gqoma ama pipi afanayo
because lokana butho akupendi picture right
honestly bebe ngawazi ukuyejayosiri
nyawizwe engiyaza bubuya ngayo exactly
bebe ngawazi ukuyejayosiri yana ngisoyini Southsiri sabakwazi next month ka waba ngamakhunga
kit manager sokumba
guys lapha nalifuzele kwazi i team lezana zonke 2 for now azilamali iyalendas
but iDynamos bebeqonde efana nayo
Dynamos lelanders beqonde efana nayo
iDynamos
Yeah.
konke lapha
iDynamos
njalo
ibeka-
unayile ngibona amakhala manga even amabhashi lawa abanye begqoke red abanye begqoke black uMaroro begqoke Adidas umkhokheli begqoke Adidas abafana begqoke Nike hayi okunye sibe serious butho okunye sibe serious speak the truth
wabona ama-jacket ukuthi ilihlo lakho
Ibhaca
lihambile
lihluhlwa.
laze lafika kulokuzeni kubhentshi ubona abantu bezobhentshini omunye la egqoke unye kuli jacket kwakhe ngani kunjani njani omunye la egqoke lide
emabhomba jacket lawana vele bagqoka red and black at once babegqoke njalo vele abanye begqoke red abanye begqoke black sonke isikhathi but angiyali khona
right yini
Ku-right.
Wena indlela ubona ngayo.
akula problem because
uyakubone ngapho hayi wena kodwa uyakubone ngasikhuluma ngebhora uyakubone ngapho
butho asibe serious
i-technical yakwazi ugqoka uchinda ama-players
hayi
butho asibe serious
Singa-
Even
no,
ukuthi
singazamini ukupenda
even ukuthi
enye.
yena, but it's one brand coloring is the same siyakubona everywhere gents asikhulumela into zebhora
ayibona uthola omunye ugqoke isakunda omunye ugqoke lokhana omunye ugqoke
but
lokhana
nani bayayilenda ngiyabazwela ngoba usungayibona phela ikit yona lana isithengiswa futhi lizabulaye ukuthenga ama-kit
alright I get this uzasitshela wena owakhumbula let's move on to igame si repel kwasto siya many minutes usinika imzuzu wena la ekhuluma let's wrap it up ngegame overall ngiqale ngawe wena umnikazi weteam okubonileyo nje izolo because I know ukuthi bekuyifriendly it was just a training friend egamini ukuboneni are you happy
mina egemini mala ngisithathe sangina I'm not happy ngoba bazwanga abalaleli program abazama ukulalela ipass and move amanzi same thing bebeyalisa amanzi ukuthi angene whilst bekungalamanzi le okutshwala abantu vele baqale phandle angazi ama legend ngithiwa badlalile vele kade bengeke bewabukela abantu 2 sesikhuluma 3 sengikhuluma ngegame yona ngokwayo hayi game mina ngibone nje ukuthi abafana so far badlalile but umfana mina unginspire oyedwa kuphela enalo kade egqoka 22 umuntu wavela ukuthi ayinamusa lona wathi nguye umfana okhanya uyayilwela ijesi abanye laba hayi kusaselo umsebenzi aso team esingathi singayithemba inti ukuthi sihambe ngayo sibili ku PSL zingasiratabula masinjana zingasiratabula because you can't judge and you can't say it comes to Highlanders whilst kulelinye ibhora lamanje lokho isingimla ngoy Highlander kulelinye ibhora lamanje lesikorile le Dynamos ukuthi kube thwala ikore kuyijantshi kube ayiphelanga ilo bade kuyilokho zenjalo kube vele bese bangena eground because asikwazi ukuthi hayi ne-Islander ingichazanga
Butho you were there at stadium
Yeah, I was there. For the first time, I will give thumbs up to the officiating. Those are the people who are less abangatholi kakhulu recognition. But basimelele uphela lapha abaphambanisa khona. Maybe because laba bamele ukuthi iplayer liphambanise impembe. But nonetheless izolo uChomnontongo owena at the center referee. I saw a good and improved referee. I think into kachimene iyaba motivator they did good well. Mina kimi ambonanga problem even yena leti igole ibhole liyaliwe ebonto endinhlezi kibo lapha nanhlala ireferee ngaliyana lana sokopora nxa ngabambanga lapha kulefa ukade ngikwesitubambile but tese ngibona ivideo ngasenanzela ukuthi khona ibe infringement to the keeper.
I think uzayifaka umenzi lapha abantu beyibona
kube infringement to the keeper which means uphambanisa ukuthi uriward ebambe kuhle ibhora. So that is a foul. That is one mbone pure yellow card because that was spot on to me because ibhora vele alifuzanga ikopora onke asifuzanga ukuthi umuntu eyivumelana la ukuthi ayikwa kumba isikho ngoba vele we should have talking points but ama referee angenzele kahle. Then coming to the play game both sides of the teams I wasn't that happy because
both Dynamos
is going to represent the country ku CAF
yes.
And the performance engibonile nabarathaburo i-Islanders very soon is going to be playing with Blair Chiefs. I-Blair Chiefs ngendlela esayine ngayo lapha na 3 points eBlair Chiefs ezibonile. So because
ungamningi ngoba bekuyifriendly
ngiyakwazi bekuyifriendly comment engibonileyo except
bebetrayela abafa abadlalile
except if they change.
Okay.
I-defense yebhoso ayinjabulisanga mina ngizwa abantu beyipraise kakhulu but ayinjabulisanga in a sense that of course okuzayenza abantu bejabule because ibhora besithi nxa libuyele ngalibhora libuyele. That's not proper defending. I-defending esikhona khathesi ukuthi you hold the ball, you pass your opponent, lidlala ibhora. Ayikho into ibhora lisuke kuwe. I-basic football idlala ngumfana number 4-1. But lapha tesithi ngathola khona inchance yokumisa ibhora ubephakamisa ikhanda uhle epass, which means if it gets proper education or proper training, you can become a better player. But engayale sinza lonto ibhora ngabuyele yedisiyali i-90 minutes zaphela sediniwe because belokhu egijima mjokothi ibhora liphenduka. Number 5 lwana hayi imrule out.
Right back.
Number 25 was good. Number 22 othandwe ngoMasuthu bathanda ispeed kakhulu. Is a good poacher. Nxa engakwanisa ukuthi avoid ama offside because ungene ngesikhathi esincane ungene so 86 minutes thereabout and uconsider ama offside angu4 ngesikhathi esincane singakana, which is very bad for a striker. So ufuze efunde ukuthi maintain beat ama offside traps. The moment engabheat ama offside traps, trust me, isizini yathi saphila ama goals amaningi because ufast and ulendlala. It shows ukuthi engathola okuningi. So that's basically ngesikhathi esincane silazo. That's what I saw. But Dynamos like need to pull up his socks and is as represent phambili.
Saveros ubule Kevin.
Hayi mina ibhora ndibuke ku YouTube.
Ulibone njani ngendlela? I think you have a better perspective nxa ulibone ku YouTube. Ngendlela olibone ngayo.
Mina enye into engayikhangela lapha sesikhayela nge-perspective from i-Islanders. I-Islander I think mina uPrince Lorawish akumelanga ngabe kumbe bedlale bonke same time.
Ngicosondele ku mic kumbe idonse phela sesi improve idonse isondele ku.
Okay hayi ngithi i-strike imeli kulomsebenzi ku strike force.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Because ingongongo lizoze lidonse lot. Bengakwenza kube njalo kuyahlala sokulenye weakness ukuthi izachafa futhi enye i-drought yamagozi ngefana ya last season. Asazi maybe nje ama players abonile ama sub anjabo manager bathi bebephandle labanye. So
Alo manager
Breton Ncube bekhona. Labo reason. So I think maybe asazi njengoba bekungathi twa i-friendly kuphinde ube ama trials. So asazi lana ngu team A kumbe ngu team B. But hayi ufuna ukupolishwa yende.
Ifuna upolishwa.
Afuna upolishwa.
NjengoRawish nxa engacontinue ngeform yakhe yenzilizo lana.
Mina what I can say is from ilihlo ngendlela enganalyze ngayo mina self from a coaching perspective I saw a lot of improvement, which shows ukuthi umkhokheli, because I think he's been with the team for a long time, uBenjamin umjoyene phakathi, given isikhathi iIslander is playing beautiful football so far engubonile, because they were able ukuthi beliqalise lapha eliqaliseka khona belithunge engangihlala ngikhala ngako ukuthi kumele ngibone i-coaching beliqalisa belithunge, although here and there because friendly room for improvement iningi. Then in terms of strike force, I may manager striker, former striker, coach, former striker, assistant coach, a former striker. So in terms of strike force, okhuluma ngaso, believe you me, Islanders will score a lot of goals this season. From what I saw, Nigeria hold up play yakhe with Prince Rauji bebuya from behind bezomsupport and nxa kungayisithi kuzadlala abanye, because until ama trials we never know who's going to play. But ngendlela abafuna ukubuya beattacka ngayo, even i-substitution yabo befaka lesiyana i-striker lesiya number 22 there, Islanders is going to score a lot of goals because you could see i-template ababuya ngalo indlela abafuna ukucoacha, because there was a time uReward aphamba ibhora mara ruchinga kakhulu wambiza ibhora liqaliswa. That for me is a plus from what I saw. Personally angilandaba la, but i-template yabona i-template liqhakathekile. With that template Islanders is going to surprise even Lina. Mark my words, they will surprise and shock you. Angikwazi ukuthi kuyazala ngomoni mhla ka 6, but from what I saw they are trying i-Islanders in terms of playing ibhora. Yebo kuna ama problems amaningi, i-training ngaseziswela ama problem, but i-template balalo balibambile. Last words si Vale Savereza.
Mina maningi angelawo semelele umhla ka6 kuphela.
Butho last week sivale nini?
Yes, siyabonga for the support which people gave izolo for initiative lokuzenini Jairus Chiri. It was bese sihlele kakhulu singasalazi ibhora, so
True.
we thank Islanders and Dynamos for availing themselves, because sike salibala izolo bekumnandi, even though iweather ke yafunga usiphambanisa, but siyabonga. And
People brave the weather.
I'm praying for those who will be able to go Chawanda Stadium. Just go and see it for us. Nxa singasakwanizanga nathi ukuhamba silesifiso, nxa singaphumelela sabe sikhona, nxa singaphumelelanga be our eye, and a happy season ahead.
Suitman ivale Brom.
Lathi lami ngiyabonga for yesterday support, and then indlesicelo sokuthi siyakhala asikazi kubo Islanders sicela isikhalele bakithi for amanzi lezinye izinto lezingene ebhili. Hayi
Uzigamwa lezisi.
Siyacela
Ikakhulu amagate abavula amaningi.
lamagate sicela livula amaningi one amanzi etholakale konke ukathe ezinye izinto ngikhulumela ukuyathengiswa ama chips esihambela abantwana, ama chips kube le ndawo zokuthengiswa wathi lalaba abanatha bafowethu
bakhulu
kube le butshwala basibaziyo kubo Harare Gweru konke sabe ama stadium bayabukhona ama draft bona bayana uyafuthelwa emaglasini lani ama glass alana kula muntu ongaphosa iglass ama tumbler ngeke uphephuke lokho avela kufiki la stadium. Sicela kube khona lo tshwala kube khona eground asiyacela ngakho. Nonetheless I thank you for support elisupporta ngayo. Asithandazeni siwine lokho zini. Swina manama hayi swine le swine kakhulu
amanamo
siyafuna mdala izilongo bese nominated mina vele unganominate mdala ngicela vele wambiza sengicanga ukuyina mdala.
You're not a loser.
ngamazwi kaMasudi, thank you for the support, for the continued support. Tshela abanye labanye betshela abanye ukuthi kule puzzle yazi abantu abaningi abayazi.
Yeah, i-person move ikhona, but ubatshele futhi ukuthi bengahlali belokho besemnyameni bengakwazi i-person move the Praxol Solutions.
Mbuya khonapho. Thank you very much.
Let's sport zone.
Mbuya khonapho ndilungisisa khonapho. So thank you very much for the continued support, guys. Njengoba Masudi sekhulumile ukuthi ungavela usifake usinominate andiyabona nanzi. We've won EBA 1-8 inama, but nevertheless the recognition is very important. Siyabonga ukuthi were nominated as best podcast
in the land
country
of Zimbabwe.
But we know ukuthi we are the best podcast in the land. Asichithisi vele ngalokho asichithisa sibele emuva. And thank you to our new sponsors, but lisibongele let's support iPraxol practical solutions. Please siyacela ngabantu abafuna ukusibona ama light elightile all the time silibisela uhlelo lolu, yikho sibonga kakhulu ama sponsors wethu amatsha iPraxol practical solutions. All the details will be put there on the screen, ads and everything you will see about iPraxol. Not forgetting our friends of the show, Sport Zone, quality proper things. Sport Zone layo ama details abazafaka lapha abafowethu. Also not forgetting Oguhle Designs, they've been with us since day one. Lokhu kumele sikutsho singakukhohlwa. But what a wonderful show we had today. New things, proper mnandi, Praxol Solution on board. City siyabonga. Remember to like, subscribe, share and engage us. Siyabonga, i-comment section is very much alive. Kuyafika. Ungabona singaphendulanga sizaphendula, but we are happy ukuthi we are engaging in the comment section. Please guys, until we meet again next week, ciao.